paternity or maternity? Maternity. I saw that she was a mother. She did. Brother and sister, at this age, no compliment. I have to speak only the truth. I don't know where am I going to go to my eternal home. So I have to speak the truth. Now we are brothers together. And we have sister also. Who knows the piano's key? Do you know the key of the piano or the organ? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. Do, si, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. How many keys they have? They have two. They don't have, only they are black and white. This evening we are together. And look, how can I start for that? I can make something. In the Hebrew where they said, Hinema tovu manaim shevet achim gam biachad Hinema tov shevet achim gam biachad shevet achim gam biachad. That means how good is when the brothers they are together. تقبلوا نخو ناهو سناي وناهو أدم ناهو سناي وناهو أدم صبايه يلوه برأهاو صبايه يلوه برأهاو ناهو سناي وناهو أدم ناهو سناي وناهو أدم صباي يلو يلو بوري صباي يلو